Hello everyone, welcome to Math Edu. Then here we study the chapter number 3 for 12th standard commerce, the differentiation, the derivative of composite function. Then in last standard, that is 11th standard, already you have studied the differentiation as well as rule of differentiation. Then here we study the derivative of composite function. The composite function we also have studied in 11th standard, that is in chapter of function. Then here one more step is there, that is derivative of composite function. How to differentiate the composite function. If you want to study some basic terminologies related to differentiation, then also you visit to the playlist and see the lecture number 1 of latest syllabus, that is 2020 of mathematics. Then here we have to find the derivative of composite function by using the formula. If y is equal to f of u is a function, is a differentiable function of u, and if u is equal to g of x, means this f is a function of u and u is again function of x, then is a differentiable function of x. Then how to find derivative, means composite function. In the function we have already studied, composite function means here in place of u we substitute the value of x, means what we get finally, if y is equal to f of u, then composition we find, that is substitute the value of u whatever we have provided, means we get f of g of x, then is a composite function. Okay, in this we find composition of two functions. And after that, here we have to find the derivative of composite function, means here when we substitute u as a g of x, then this y become a function of x, means y is differentiable with respect to x, and then with this y is differentiable with respect to x, then y is here function of u, means this y is differentiable with respect to u, and into this u is a function of x, then this u is differentiable with respect to x. That is here directly either you can differentiate this value of y after substituting this u as g of x directly. You can also differentiate this f of g of x with respect to x, or we can do step by step, means differentiate this value of y whatever which is present in terms of u with respect to u, and then this u is a function of x, then differentiate this u with respect to x. Okay, here we find this differentiation of composite function by using this formula, okay, which is most important for the differentiation of composite function. Then let us study the one example. Here y is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x raised to power 6. Okay, up to this in last standard we have studied the derivative of x raised to power n or x cube. Okay, that is different formulas related to differentiation you already studied in 11th standard, or also you can visit to the playlist, and then in the lecture number 1 all formulas we have written. Okay, also you have observed this. Then here x raised to n derivative is n into x raised to the power n minus 1, or here x cube derivative is 3 into x square. We know that is all standard formulas. In order to find the derivative of y with respect to x, means it is required to find dy by dx, we substitute this value in terms of u. Okay, means derivative of composite function. Therefore we put whatever function is present there, then whatever the function which is present inside, substitute this as a u. Then we put u is equal to, always remember function is present for composition, then inside term substitute some variable, that is u or y or any other variable, then we substitute this as a u. Then what we get, y is equal to, that is this term is our u, then we get u raised to the power 6. Okay, then we have to differentiate to find the dy by dx by using the formula dy by dx is equal to, we find dy by du into du by dx. Okay, then we call this as equation 1, means we find this value separately, this value separately, and after that we substitute this value in equation 1. Okay, then we find first this dy by du. Okay, then dy by du, then du of what is y, u raised to the power 6. Then using the formula of derivative of x raised to n, derivative is n into x raised to the power n minus 1. Then what we get here, that is n is 6, means 6 into u raised to the power 6 minus 1, that is 5. Okay, then next is, this is our dy by du. Okay, what we get dy by du as 6 into u raised to the power 5. This is our dy by du. The next what we have to find du by dx. Then to find du by dx, what is value of u? We have substitute u is equal to this one. Then we differentiate this with respect to x. U is 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x. Then differentiate this. Then we know that constant into variable. Then we take constant as outside and differentiate this variable. Means here 4 is constant, 3 is constant, 2 is constant. Then we take this 4 as outside into derivative of this x cube plus 3 as outside into derivative of this x square. Same thing, this minus 2 as outside into derivative of this x. Then use the formula of x raised to n for this differentiation. Then du by dx is equal to 4 into x raised to 3. Use this formula, x raised to n means n into x raised to n minus 1. N is 3 means 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Plus time 3 into same thing formula is here, 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 into derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Or also you can use x raised to n, that is 1 into x raised to 1 minus 1, 0. And x raised to 0 is 1 means remain is 1. Then what we get du by dx, the value of du by dx is 4 into 3, that is 12x square. 12x square plus 6x minus 2. Then after that we have find du by dx as well as here we have find dy by du. Then we substitute this dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Okay, then after substituting this value, which is our final answer, then what is dy by du? This 6 into u raised to the power 5. And what is du by dx? This is 12x square plus 6x minus 2. And then finally we want value differentiation with respect to x, that is whatever value which is present in terms of x. Means substitute whatever value of u we have substituted, means dy by dx is equal to 6 into value of u we have put u is equal to this 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x. Then again we substitute this, resubstitute the value of u, means 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x into this derivative is 12x square plus 6x minus 2, which is the value of derivative. We find dy by dx, we are given y is equal to square root of x plus 1 upon x. Then up to this we know the derivative of square root x. What is derivative? 1 upon 2 into square root x. Okay, then here we have to differentiate this, that is a composite function. Dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Then for composite function derivative we substitute this inside term as u, means if we substitute, put y u is equal to this inside term x plus 1 upon x, means what we get, y is equal to square root of u. As derivative of square root x is this one, then derivative of y with respect to u, what we get, therefore differentiate first y with respect to u. Then what we get, first derivative with respect to u, means dy by du is equal to derivative we have y with respect to u, that is as derivative of x is 1 upon 2 into root x, then derivative of root u we get something 1 upon 2 into root of u. This is the value of dy by du. Then next we have to find du by dx. Okay, we have find here dy by du. We call this as suppose equation 1, this term as dy by du. Next we find du by dx. Okay, then differentiate with respect to x, then what we get, du by dx is equal to derivative with respect to x of value of u. What you have substituted u as x plus 1 upon x, then it is the use of the addition formula, means derivative of this separately, means dx upon dx plus d dx of 1 upon x. then derivative of x with respect to x is 1, and this has either use u upon v rule or directly we know the standard result of derivative of 1 upon x raised to power n, then it is x 1 upon x raised to n power derivative is minus time n divided x raised to n plus 1. Then the n is here 1, means what we get minus time n means 1 upon x raised to n plus 1 means x square. Okay, then this is the value of du by dx. Then finally dy by dx is equal to substitute dy by du into du by dx. Then dy by du is 1 upon 2 into root u into this as 1 minus 1 upon x square. Then again whatever the view, substitute this. Then dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 that is u is x plus 1 upon x into this du by dx is 1 minus 1 upon x square, which is the value of derivative. Then something, the next one example is given, y is equal to cube root, then square root. If any term square root, then we write u x raised to, suppose square root of x, x raised to 1 after. Then same thing, cube root of x, how to write? Cube root x raised to the power 1/3. Okay, then here cube root function is there, or either we simplify this as a square plus x square raised to power 1/3. Okay, then function of function, then same thing, substitute this as a u, then what we get, y is equal to, put what we put, a square plus x square is equal to u. If we substitute this as u, then we get y is equal to u raised to the power 1/3. Okay, then the composite function formula is that dy by dx is equal to dy by du into dy by du into du by dx. Okay, then applying this result, what we get, differentiate this y with respect to u. Y means what? U raised to 1/3. Okay, then here differentiate this with respect to u. U is u raised to the power 1/3. Then use x raised to n formula, means x raised to n derivative is n into x raised to n minus 1. If x raised to n derivative is n into x raised to n minus 1, n is here 1/3, means 1/3 into u raised to 1/3 minus 1. 1/3 minus 1 means what? 1/3 into u raised to minus 2 by 3. This is value of dy by du. Then next is we have to find du by dx. Then u is a square plus x square. Then differentiate this with respect to x, with respect to x, means whatever this x term, we have to differentiate with respect to this term. Here u term, then we differentiate with respect to u. Here x term, then differentiate with respect to x. Then dx of u is a square plus x square. Then a is constant, we know that constant derivative is 0, plus x square derivative is 2x. Okay, then dy by dx is equal to, substitute the value, dy by du, substitute the value, this is our equation 1, dy by du is 1/3 u raised to minus 2 by 3 into du by dx is 2x. Okay, then finally whatever u, substitute this u again, that is dy by dx is equal to 1/3 u is a square plus x square raised to minus 2 by 3 into 2x, which is the value of derivative. Either we can write this 2x as here, means 2x divided by 3. Then for the next one example, here also y raised to whole term raised to power 9. Then again same thing, substitute this as a u. Okay, then put this as u, then what we get, u is equal to, what we substitute, u as a 5x raised to power 3 minus 4x square minus 8x. Then we get y is equal to u raised to the power 9. Then we have the dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. We call this as equation 1. Then in order to find dy by dx, we have to find dy by du by dx, and we substitute this value in equation 1. Okay, then dy by du, first we find dy by du, means du of, what is y, u raised to 9. Then use x raised to n formula, means what we get, 9 into u raised to the power 8. Therefore dy by du is 9 into u raised to the power 8. Then suppose we consider this as equation second, or we can denote this as star, or just dy by du value. Then next, differentiate with respect to x. Then du by dx. Du by dx means dx of, what is u? U means this value 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x. Then this 5 is constant, take constant outside and differentiate the inside value. Okay, therefore what we get derivative, this 5 as a constant and into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. Then next 4 is constant into derivative of this x raised to the power is 2. Okay, then here x square derivative is 2x. Then minus 8 is constant and derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Means what we get this term as 15x square minus 8x minus 8. Okay, this is the value of du by dx is this one. Then substitute all these values. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Means what is dy by du? 9 into u raised to 8 into what is du by dx? This 15x square minus 8x minus 8. Then what is u? Substitute again u as it is. Then 9 into our u means this 5x cube minus 4x square minus 8x into this as du by dx is 15x square minus 8x minus 8, which is the value of derivative. That is to find differentiation, you know all the standard result of derivative, and then we find the differentiation. And to find dy by dx, here y is equal to log of log x. Then again composite function, the composition of two function, then inside function denote this as u. Then we put this u is equal to log x. Then we substitute this inside value as u, means log of x as u as log of x. Then what we get? Y is equal to log u. Means here we get y as a function of u and again u is a function of x. That is a composition of two function. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. That is y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Then use dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Then find first dy by du. Therefore dy by du is equal to derivative of this value of y with respect to u. Then y is log u. Okay, then this is our equation 1. We find this value one by one and substitute in equation 1. Then we know that log x derivative is 1 upon x, then log u derivative 1 upon u. Then we have find dy by du, then du by dx. Then to find du by dx, we differentiate this value of u with respect to x. Then u is log x. Okay, then again differentiate this with respect to x. Log x derivative is 1 upon x. Therefore what we get? Du by dx is equal to derivative of u with respect to x. Then this as du by dx as 1 upon x. Then therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Then substitute the value. Dy by du is 1 upon u into du by dx is 1 upon x. Then again what is value of u? Substitute again this, that is log x into 1 upon x. Means value is derivative is 1 upon x into log x, which is the value of derivative, that is dy by dx. Then next one is also something, log of the inside function denote this as u. Okay, therefore put u is equal to 10x raised to power 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Then what we get? Y as a function of u means log of u. And when we use composition of two function formula, that is if y is a function of u and u is again a function of x, then to find derivative we use dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Okay, then first find dy by du. Therefore dy by du is equal to, differentiate this y with respect to u, means d du of y is log u. Then again we know that derivative of log x 1 upon x, then log u is 1 upon u. Then next to find du by dx, differentiate value of u with respect to x. Okay, this is equation 1. Then du with respect to x, u is 10x plus 2 power 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Then differentiate each term separately. Again this constant, we know that we take constant outside and derivative of inside term, means d dx of x raised to 4 plus 5 constant outside, d dx of x cube minus time 3 outside into d dx of x square plus time this derivative of constant 2. Then what we get, du by dx, that is du by dx is equal to this 10 using x raised to n formula 4x cube plus 5 x raised to n formula 3x square minus 3x raised to n formula derivative is 2x. Then constant derivative is 0, means plus 0. Okay, then we substitute the values. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, we get dy by du into du by dx. Then what is dy by du? Dy by du is 1 upon u. Okay, then in substitute in equation 1, dy by du is 1 upon u into this du by dx. Okay, dy by du into du by dx is 10 into 4, 40 x cube plus 15 x square minus 6x, means substitute this value of u at the denominator. What is u? We have substitute u as this one. Okay, then 10 x raised to power 4 plus 5x cube, then minus 3x square plus 2 is u, and numerator term is 40x cube plus 15x square minus 6x, which is the value of derivative. Then the next one example is also same thing, that is here also whatever the inside term, substitute this as u. That is, if y is a function of u and u is again a function of x, then we use dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Okay, then put, that is function of function, then substitute u is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Then what we get, y as a log of u. Then dy by du, dy by dx is equal to, we have dy by du into du by dx. Then find this value, then this value, and substitute in equation 1. Then dy by du, what we get, dy by du means derivative of y with respect to u. What is y? Log u. Then derivative of log u is 1 upon u. Then next du by dx, then d dx of, what is u? U is ax square plus bx plus constant. Then again same thing, du by dx is equal to, this a is constant, take outside, d dx of x square plus b is constant, take outside, d dx of this x plus constant derivative d dx of constant is c. That is, here constant of outside but variable x is present, then we find derivative of this x square x, but here variable is not, only constant term, then its derivative is 0. Last term derivative is 0. Then first term we get a into x square derivative 2x plus p derivative of x with respect to x is 1, and last term is 0. This is the value of du by dx. Okay, then what we get finally, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Then what is dy by du? Dy by du is 1 upon u, 1 upon u, and du by dx is this twice ax plus p. That is, what we get finally, dy by dx is equal to this numerator term twice ax plus b divided denominator u, and what is u? We have substitute ax square plus bx plus c. Here y is equal to e raised to the power, means exponential function, the raised to power is given. Here in last video log into the function of x is present, then we substitute this function of x as u, and then we keep this log, then we get log of u, and then we find derivative of with respect to, and then u with respect to. Then same thing here, exponential term, raised to power, whatever the value is there, then put this value as u, then we get exponential value. That is, y is equal to, we put u is equal to 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Then what we get? Y as a e raised to u form, and we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. We have studied this in last standard. Then e raised to u derivative is e raised to u. Therefore here y is a function of u and u is again function of x. Then composition dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Then this implies, call this as equation 1, differentiate this y with respect to u, means d du of e raised to u, derivative is e raised to u. Then u with respect to x, therefore d dx of u is this one, that is 5x square minus 2x plus 4. Then what we get? This 5 constant term into derivative of x square minus 2 constant term into derivative of x plus derivative of this constant term is 0. Means here what we get? Derivative 5 into 2x minus 2 with respect to x is x, means what? 10x minus time 2 is there. Okay, then this as du by dx. Then finally substitute the value, therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Then what is dy by du? E raised to u. And what is du by dx is 10x minus 2. Then substitute again, what is value of u? This one. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, we get e raised to the power 5x square minus 2x plus 4 into this 10x minus 2, which is the value 10x minus 2, which is the value of derivative. Y is equal to a raised to, again same thing. Then substitute this as u. Okay, then put u is equal to 1 plus log x. Then what we get? Y is a function of a raised to u. Then we know the derivative of a raised to x. What is derivative of a raised to x? A raised to x into log a. Okay, we apply this result here. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Okay, therefore dy by du, first we find dy by du, then derivative of y with respect to a raised to u, a raised to x is this one, then a raised to u is a raised to u into log of a. Then we find du by dx. Next du by dx, that is d dx of u is 1 plus log x. Then differentiate separately, derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of log x is 1 upon x, means what is 1? The 1 upon x. Then put the value dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Okay, then what is dy by du? A raised to u into log a into, what is du by dx? It is only 1 upon x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to this a raised to u. A raised to u means, what is value of u? We have substitute, u is equal to 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x into log a into this 1 upon x, which is the value of derivative. Okay, into this one, means what? 1 upon x into log a into a raised to the power 1 plus log x. Then here also the same thing value, instead of a here is 5. Then put u is equal to x plus log x. Then y is equal to 5 raised to u. Then again same thing, the derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a. Then 5 raised to u derivative is 5 raised to u into log of 5. Then therefore y is equal to, what we get? 5 raised to u. Then differentiate with respect to u. Here we have the formula dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Then we have to find dy by du and then du by dx. Then differentiate with respect to u, we get dy by du, that is d du of, what is y? 5 raised to u. Then 5 raised to u derivative is this one, 5 raised to u into log of 5. Then next du by dx, that is d dx of u is 1 plus x plus log x x plus log x. Then differentiate this using additive property, that is derivative of x with respect to x plus derivative of log of x. Then we know that x with respect to x is 1 and log x derivative is 1 upon x. Okay, that is 1 plus 1 upon x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Okay, then substitute dy by du is 5 raised to u into log 5, and what is du by dx? It is 1 plus 1 upon x. Then dy by dx is equal to, substitute original value of u, we have substitute u as x plus log x, means 5 raised to x plus log x into log of 5 into this 1 plus 1 upon x, which is the value of derivative. So in next video we study the next point of this chapter, differentiation. If you like this video, then like, share and comments, and remain connected.